I know what is happening is pralaya. Literally what we know, what we used to know as the world is melting down. I know this is going to come, but when it is really happening, even for me, it is too much. I know this is coming. If you see decisions I made in last 2 years, you can see very clearly I was preparing all of you for this and post-corona world. Understand? All the Kailasavasis and my devotees, all of you can understand how politely, humbly, I prepared all of you for this Pralaya and post-Pralaya world. Please understand. Our whole Sangha is not at all having any shock because last 1 year I established whatever quarantine we are going through. Last 1 year I established that in the Sangha. Multiple times I made Kailasavasis to sit in one room for hours and sometimes even days and meditate and work. I don't know how many of you can understand. Even Adinavasis asked why Swamiji is expecting us to be in one place, just use restroom, take bath, come back, do puja, yoga, meditation, do all the work, everything digital based, and be in one place at least 5 times. I trained all my Kailasavasis in Bidadi, Tiruvannamalai, Madurai, Gujarat, intensely for quarantine, without using the word quarantine. Whoever trained themselves for quarantine without having a mental breakdown will understand how useful the training is now. Whoever resisted and ran away are now having mental breakdown in this quarantine. One fellow ran away telling me, oh, don't lock me up in Madurai. Now he is locked up in his room, wherever his home, what he thinks as his home, and living for months now. If he was in Madurai, at least he would have got enlightened because he is in the energy field of Meenakshi. He ran away and he is somewhere and rotting in depression, mental breakdown. I tell you, last 2 years, if you see all my decisions, all my training to Kailasavasis, continuously I was insisting to work on vertical garden and agriculture to grow everything we need inside the campus. And I was insisting government will not be able to supply electricity. They could not understand why. I tell you, in next 6 months, within next 6 months, all our Kailasas should become self-sustaining, including electricity and water. Go for solar power, whatever, and rainwater harvesting, everything, vertical gardening. Long before last 2 years, I was insisting and working on those infrastructures. Of course, we are successful in establishing everything we need inside our campus. In many countries, and I was insisting on people sitting in one place, doing your spiritual routine and life in an organized way. That was the powerful training for quarantine without going through the mental breakdown and pandemic fatigue. I want all of you to understand, people who abused me for preparing my Kailasavasis to face this pralaya are now collapsing in pandemic fatigue. And my Kailasavasis are just celebrating this life because they have been prepared. The self-sustaining spiritual ecosystems are prepared. Mentally, they have been prepared to live unclutched life happily without having pandemic fatigue or mental breakdown. They can happily sit in one place, do yoga, puja, meditate, unclutch, do all the work just through digital platform. Whoever ran away and abused me and Sangha for this preparation are suffering now, collapsing in this pandemic fatigue. Out of delusional arrogance, they may say, no, even if we die, we want to die like that. Okay, it's up to you. Last 2 years, I was building this conscious ship and protecting all my Kailasavasis and training them for this pralaya. Now again I tell you, even now it is not too late. I keep my conscious ship doors open. Whoever wants to be physically protected, for sure, get into my Kailasas before things become more worse. If you are not able to physically get into my Kailasa, at least come to this enlightened, organized lifestyle. Understand? God's live organized way. My insistence on sitting in 1000-bed dam Paramashivoham office and using that restrooms, meditating, unclutching continuously, doing yoga and performing all your activities, work through digital nation, everything through digital platform, every instruction is to face this pralaya and rebuild, revive Kailasa after this pralaya. I don't know how many of you know, thousands of Oil tins I bought. Thousands. People were laughing. Why, Swamiji? Because we have hundreds of acre land. We can do agriculture. Why we need tins? I said, you don't know. Start doing vertical garden. Because vertical garden only can be done with less water. With available water, we need to grow a lot of things. On the ground, we should grow grains like a rice. But all the vegetables we can grow on tins. Last 2 years, I was preparing the whole campus. I was telling, ground, you will not be able to do vegetables because we need to do paddy, rice, all the grains we need. Only on the tins we can grow vegetables. So start doing vertical garden on all the compound walls of the campus. And I insisted, I repeated this word, money will not get you food. There will be time during the pralaya, money will not get you food. We may have money, but money will not get you food. Understand? I know I have to build. It is direct Paramashiva's instruction to build this conscious ship. This time the deluge is not going to be physical. So I don't need to build a physical ship like Manu did it, or Noah's Ark. It is going to be the pralaya of pandemic fatigue. The pralaya is going to be more deluge of delusion. All the delusion is going to be washed up. Huge delusions are going to collapse. This time the deluge, the pralaya is a different type. So Paramashiva is very clearly instructed, I need to build conscious ship, not physical ship. So last 2 years I was doing only that. Each one of you, my Kailasavasis who withstood the training I gave last 2 years, you can understand I prepared you for this pralaya and to rebuild Kailasa post-pralaya. You are all such consciously strong beings. You can sit in one room for hours, days, weeks, even months. All those who abused me for this training are suffering with pandemic fatigue and collapsing. This is pralaya. All those who lived in Kailasa are living in Kailasa now, who withstood my 2 years training. You guys are blessed. Especially who are still living in Kailasa. You are blessed. You are perfectly prepared, physically, mentally, consciously, not only to withstand this pralaya, to revive Kailasa post-pralaya, to revive the enlightened civilization post-pralaya. If you are already in Kailasa, be informed, the greatest news, you are in the most safest place. All Kailasas are directly protected by Mahakala Bhairava. Even now, I am telling, it's not too late. If you left Kailasa because you were not able to understand why I was training the way I was training all of you. Now you know the reason. Come back. Come back to Kailasa. Be in safe place. Protect yourself from this pralaya. And also get trained to revive the enlightened civilization and to give a superconscious breakthrough to the planet Earth and whole humanity post-pralaya, after this pralaya settles down. I tell you, all my Kailasavasis who withstood my training for last 2 years and staying in Kailasa, these human beings will be the living demonstration of powerful superconsciousness. These beings will be the new species, superconscious beings. Through them, I will start reviving the enlightened civilization, Kailasa, post-pralaya. If you have never been part of the Kailasa, means physically you never became Kailasavasis. At least wherever you are, consciously start building Kailasa ecosystem. If you were a Kailasavasi earlier and left because you could neither understand nor withstand the training for this pralaya which I was giving, and if you have left, you still have a chance. Come back. Come back and save yourself from delusional arrogance. Sticking to the stupid decisions you made due to your delusion. Come back. Save yourself. If you are inside Kailasa, withstood the 2 years training, jump, sing, whistle, dance, celebrate, you are going to be the future of the humanity. If you are still inside the Kailasa, withstood my last 2 years training to face this pralaya and post-pralaya world, just jump, whistle, scream, dance, sing, celebrate yourself. You are the future of the humanity. The kind of a strength your consciousness has been infused with all my training. You are going to be the specimen of new species. You are going to be the specimen of new species. I'll show you. I'll prove to the whole world what I am uttering. Anything you touch will flourish with auspiciousness. Because you stood the most toughest training, preparation for the pralaya. Conscious preparation for the pralaya. All the fellows who are trying to make whole in this conscious boat, I was building this Kailasa, face Kalabhairava. I won't curse you. I neither curse nor involve with abusers. You directly face Kalabhairava. Whatever you did to me and to Kailasa, Sangha will come to you. Face Kalabhairava. Face life. Face pralaya. Pralaya is real. Kailasa is real. Kailasa is going to save many people from Pralaya is real. And post Pralaya, we are going to give a super conscious breakthrough to humanity is real. We are going to revive the enlightened civilization is real.